Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today I have some wonderful new concept cards for you. So let's get started. You notice I am a day early this week. It's Friday, only because I'm going on vacation next week and I wanted to give you time over the weekend to have the opportunity to shop these wonderful items I'm introducing today, because next week I leave for my long vacation in Germany. I'm visiting with my family, also checking out what's new in the crafting world in Europe. So last orders would have to come in on Monday, April 28th. After that, orders won't be shipped until early June. So with that said, let's get going. New to my shop are these concept cards by Photoplay. We have the double Z cards. This pack makes 6 of those double Z fold cards and you have both pieces in there. So you can make beautiful cards, and I show you all my samples in a moment. And then the flip-flap pocket cards, and I'm already took it out of the bag so you can see. This will make 3 cards, 3 pocket cards, and everything you need, and they're really unique and so fun. Here they are. Everything you need is in the package. First of all, on the inside, you have step-by-step directions on what to do with the pre-cut and pre-scored pieces so that you can put together this wonderful pocket card that is great for gift card giving. So each card actually comes in several pieces. So let's see if we can get it together. There is the base piece. There is a cover for the base piece. There is also the insert. There is a pocket, and then the mechanism. So everything is pre-cut. So each card actually has 5 items. And first I thought, well, maybe this is a little bit pricey for 3 cards. But then, of course, if you keep yourself one of these cards as a sample, then it's easy to use your own card stock and go ahead and just measure, basically copy what you have here and put the score lines right there so that you can make endless cards from your own cardstock. Now, this doesn't look like much, but let me show you how they look once they're put together. So once you assemble the card from the pack, you have an A2 card that will fit an A2 envelope. And here is my first example. So with this type of card, you have a lot of real estate to put papers. So it's perfect if you have these matching or coordinating paper packs. Here, this one, the blue one, is actually one from Michaels. Let me see if I have it. Yes, I used this Blue Meadow from Michaels. This is a Craftsmith paper pack that is currently available at Michaels. So lots and lots of papers are in here. And again, this is perfect for this type of project. So once you have assembled it, it will pop out. So you kind of pull and then you can see how it flips out. And you also recognize all these areas that you can decorate with your beautiful papers. Now, it also has a pocket. So this pocket will fit a gift card. So this is great for gift card giving. And of course, to just write your message. I left the back white, so this is where I could write my message. But then again, every time you pull it out, it flips out. And of course, you could put pictures there. I put just for you here. You can see how all the different papers coordinate because they're coming from the same paper pack. And the embellishment comes from the Blooming Blue. And this is what I introduced last week. Last week we used this die cut sheet. There is a second one, and for today's video I have used those 2 embellishments. So each die cut sheet has 3 embellishments. This one I used last week on my pocket card, on my jeans pocket card. And these 2 are now right here on this embellishment at the front. And then the other one sits right here. So that's my first card. Then I have a totally different look. This one here, again, I have been using my watercolor floral pack for the past few weeks. And they are now really almost out. I think there's only like 1 or 2 left. So if you're interested, you need to shop those now. Beautiful paper pack. And I used one of the cutter parts here for my topper. And then, of course, the matching papers. And then here, when I pull it out, there we go. There is a little bit more from this sheet. So I didn't use all the layers on this one card. I have another layer here. But you can see how these papers that coordinate, how nice they look in this type of card. This butterfly is from All in Create, and I still have a couple left here. They're almost out. And then, of course, here is my beautiful topper, and I add some stickers and a little bit of ribbon. But aren't these cards cute? They have a lot of effect. So when you pull them out and when you push them in, they're back in an A2 format. And then, of course, what you can do with these cards is, this is the last 2 cards, they worked sideways, right? So I pulled them out to the side. But then you can also, of course, use the card and pull it down. Instead of sideways, you can pull it down like this. And with that, you know, you have the same look, but it's coming from up. And here what I have done is I used a beautiful topper from the flower envelopes. So here, let me see, there is the topper. This is an easy 3D topper by Hardycraft. Beautiful flower envelopes. This is the envelope I used. There are 10 different embellishments in here. I introduced them before. And then I decorated them with the little birdies sticker sheets. And let me see if I find those for you. Yeah, and here is the sticker sheet. Those are dimensional stickers. They also have glitter on it. There are 3 wonderful butterflies. You can see I used them right here on this pack. There is actually it goes like this. So one butterfly sits here, another one here on my pocket, and I use these beautiful flowers to decorate and also as my pull out. So again, here it is. The background paper, it comes from my stash. I left the back white so I can write my message, and then when I pull it out, the recipient could see a message here. It could say happy birthday or happy anniversary. There could be a gift card in here. If you like to give money, you could put some money in here, or just another note. You don't have to put a gift card. You can also leave a note. And if you leave a note here, then this could be a regiftable card because you haven't really written anything on the card. But aren't these concept cards great? I love them. I love that I can use a lot of paper because it coordinates so well, and there is a lot of place to add my papers. So that is the first card, and now let's look at the double Z cards. And here is how the double Z fold card looks like. Isn't that beautiful? It stands up very well. And again, there is a lot of places. There are a lot of places to put coordinating papers. What I have used for this card here is, first of all, the die cut sheets Lovely Lilacs, also by Find It. There are actually 3 in this line, and I used the beautiful lilac bouquets. Again, each sheet is die cut, and it has 3 different embellishments with all the layers so that you can add them with foam tabs. And this is what I have done here. So here is this beautiful lilac bouquet coming here, right here from the bottom. It looks just like the lilac in my backyard that is in full bloom currently. So matched with this embellishment, I used papers from the Studio Light die cut designer pad, and it's called Lavender Season. So Lavender Season has a lot of die cuts in here that you can use for your cards and journals. Absolutely beautiful. Each page is in here twice. There are those beautiful cards as well, but then we also have lots and lots of pretty double-sided papers in here. And look how beautiful. Pretty double-sided papers that I have used now to add to my lilac card just because of the color. But yeah, these are available in my shop, and I will link them below if you are interested. Look at this wood grain. Isn't that beautiful? And that's what I have used right here on this card. Different papers. I cut it so that it fits my card. And then I added a piece of this lavender cake here, also from the die cut pad, to finish it off, as well as this little saying here, let your dreams be your wings. And then a little bit of ribbon finishes my first card. My second card, here it is. It has again this wonderful vase of lilac, and here it is on the sheet, and here is my card. So you can embellish it as much as you want to. With Love is a die that I took out. I grabbed a butterfly and also this piece here from the Studio Light die cut packs. This one here is actually from the frames. I still have a couple left of those. I'll link them below. And then these beautiful papers to to have this wonderful card. Comes together so quickly. And again, once you have this pack, you never have to measure again, because if you keep one of these cards as a sample, then all you have to do is put the fold lines right there where you have your example, and then you have countless cards for the future. Of course, you don't have to use the second piece. You can just do a Z-fold card like this. Here in this card, what I have done is I just did not add this part. So you can do that and leave this part for another card. Again, same papers. This beautiful bouquet is here from the top with all the layers. I added the punch doilies. I have this punch, and then just one of the layers from this die cut sheet I added here to my card. And then I added this doily, which is a little bit smaller. I have actually also punched this one out. I have a punch in all these different sizes, and that way, you know, if I write my message here, then it is hidden, but then when you open it up, there it is. But of course, you could just embellish this even more and then add your message to the back of the card. So these are the 3 Z-fold or double Z-fold cards, and I think this lavender paper with my lovely lilacs is just a perfect match. I hope you enjoyed my card samples for these concept cards. I had a lot of fun putting them together. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share the video with your crafty friends and family. This will support my channel and my small business, and I really appreciate your support. Now, please remember that I will be gone for quite a while, so there might be a surprise video coming in May, not sure yet, but if not, I will see you in June again. I hope you have a wonderful month of May. Please stay or get well. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.